Fingerprint Security Lock. Set up Fingerprint Security Lock. Swipe down from the notification bar, then select the Settings icon. Scroll to and select Biometric and Security. Select Fingerprints. Select Continue. To use fingerprints to unlock your device, you must first set up a backup lock screen type. Select the desired backup unlock method. For this demonstration, pattern will be used. Enter the desired pattern, then select Continue. Enter the desired pattern again, then select Confirm. Review and follow the prompts to register your fingerprint to the device. Place your finger on the fingerprint sensor. Lift it off and repeat, moving it slightly between attempts. If you would like to add another fingerprint, select Add. To continue, select Done. Change Secured Lock Time. To change your lock screen time, from the Settings screen, select Lock Screen. Select Secure Lock Settings. Enter your backup unlock method. Select Lock Automatically. Select the desired option. Using a fingerprint to unlock the device. To unlock your device using your fingerprint, from the lock screen, place your finger on the fingerprint sensor located on the screen. Add or remove fingerprints. To add an additional fingerprint, from the Biometrics and Security screen, select Fingerprints. Enter your backup unlock code. Select Add Fingerprint. Then repeat the process from adding your initial fingerprint. Select Done. To remove a fingerprint, from the fingerprint screen, select the desired fingerprint. Select Remove. Select Remove again to confirm. To turn fingerprint lock off, select the fingerprint unlock switch.